Wow. Ang cycling. Ang cycling. Wow. Ang aga nila. Naghahanap yan ng pagkain. Ang dami. Hello. Doon maliwanag. Ayun sila oh. Taas. Dami pa sa kabila. Malaw ah. Oto ah. Aya. Ikaw, one. Wow. Wow. Gubay na yaw. Ayaw, bibi ah. Ayan, ayaw, bibi oh. Wowie. They are hungry maybe. Hey, what happened? Wow. They are going out there. See, so many monkeys. They go down from the mountain and then they like to find food here. Yeah. So it's time now. Now is 7:29 a.m. Oh, they make it a bridge. See? They are maybe one bataga. Hello! Ayan, otawa. Oh. Wow, wow. Hello. Hi. Oto, hi. I'll see baby oh. Have a little one. Yeah. And then oh, they make it the bridge. See? Now they are on the other side. That is a car. Something. Okay. See them? Oh. They're jumping from one tree to the other tree. Yeah. This is our home. Wow. tumalan. Grabe. Hello! Yeah. Hello! Yeah! Wow! Oh my goodness. This is my first time that I see those monkeys. Wow! Ang dami pala talaga nila. Grabe guys. Ayun sila sa kabila. Sa campus sila pumunta. Ayan ang aming village. Oh. Ayan. So many! Oh. Pauwi na ako. Nadaanan ko sila. Naku, naghanap sila ng pagkain. Sa dami niyan, grabe. Look at them. Wow. Amo si Lolo, nagpipicture din siya. Yo, Bibi Chaya. Puto ah. Ayo. Uli nga. Nagkakamot siya. Oh. Oy. Nandito siya sa puno yung baby. Oh, panay ang kamot. Ay. Ay, may dala siyang baby. Yan, tatalo na. Oh! Amazing. Kra! Kra! Be careful, there are many. Kra! Whoa! You see that? Wow! It's a nice shot. Osan. Hello. Okay, bye-bye na guys. That's for all today. And then the one mommy are there up. Oh, I think they are. Oh, many women. A girl. You see? Oh. Ay. Oh my god, this is my first time that I saw this. So many monkeys up there. And one is on the dawn who is taking video. Oh! Okay, bye bye. That's for all. Thanks for watching, guys.